Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And this is Apple and Monkey, and I was them. And they're gonna race against each other. And Nippy over here is gonna see when the race is gonna start. Right, Nippy? I think Apple gonna win. He Apple, he's Monkey. Apple, Astro, Monkey. They're gonna race. Here to there. There. And then when they're done, we're gonna see who wins, and we're gonna do 3 rounds. Ready? Guys? I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Winner! Yay! Okay. Ready? Set. Go! Yeah, Monkey wins! How much can I beat you? Oops. Whoever wins this round wins the whole thing. Are you ready, guys? I'm ready. And this is a different kind of content. You gotta run all the way here and jump from far, and whoever lands here wins. Ready? Nippy, tell me when you're ready. Go! Monkey wins! I'm gonna kill you. No, you're not. They're great at fighting. Maybe the next video they'll do fighting against each other. No, the next video. Bye! Bye!